and 78. At the University of Alabama in Huntsville, 79 degrees. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Madison County in north-central Alabama, northern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, southwestern Lincoln County in middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Athens, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Athens, Meridianville, Hazel Green, Ardmore, Harvest, Elkmont, Blanche, Taft, Hollingen, and Catchpoint. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Limestone in Madison, and Lincoln, Tennessee.